So, in making LDR sensor using buzzer and Arduino Uno, the components we're going to use first is the Arduino Uno. So this is the Arduino Uno. Next component is the breadboard. Next component is the buzzer. So I'm going to put the buzzer on the breadboard. Next component is the resistor. So this is the resistor, and I'm going to use four of it. So we need 3, and the last one 4. So I'm going to change its resistance to 4.70 kilo ohms, and the rest of this resistor is 220 ohms. And this one 220 ohms. So I'm going to arrange this resistor further like this, so that we can easily connect this using wire. So I'm going to put the terminal 2 of the resistor to the negative of the breadboard. So the next component will be the LED. So we need 3 of this. So I'm going to put the cathode pin aligned to the terminal 1 of the resistor, same as this another lead. So I'm going to put the cathode pin aligned to the resistor. So I'm going to change the color of this LED into green color, and this one is yellow color. So we need one more LED. So same as that, we're going to put the cathode pin aligned to the resistor. So next component is the photoresistor. So this is the photoresistor. So I'm going to connect the terminal 1 of this photoresistor to the negative of the breadboard, then connected to the ground of this Arduino Uno to connect. Yes. Next is I'm going to connect the 5 volts of this Arduino Uno connected to the positive of the breadboard. Digital pin to the anode pin of the LED. Next is the digital pin 3 of this Arduino Uno to the anode pin of the LED. Digital pin 4 to the anode pin of the LED again. So digital pin 5 the positive pin of the buzzer. So the negative pin of this buzzer will be connected to the negative of the breadboard. So I'm going to connect the negative to negative of the breadboard, then positive to positive of this breadboard. Color red. Then I'm going to connect the analog pin of the Arduino Uno to the terminal of the resistor and the photoresistor. This one. And I'm going to put the code of this project. So this is the code. I'm just going to copy and paste this one. Then start simulation. And I got a wrong code, or maybe I just missed something here. I forgot to connect the terminal of this resistor to the positive of the breadboard. So this is the output of this project. If you heard that sound, that is the buzzer. So it stopped. So it start making noise again. It's making noise. So the output of this project, if the photoresistor could not detect lights, automatically the buzzer and the LED will turn on, or the LED will light up. And if the buzzer is off, that is mean that the photoresistor detected light, so it will stop. The buzzer will stop if the photoresistor detected light. That's all. Thank you.